There is a first amended motion to revoke probation filed on October 15th, 2025. Does the defendant waive any additional time he may have under the law to prepare for this? Because generally you have 30 days and this hadn't happened yet, but he can waive that. Is that what he's doing?
Yes, Judge.
You want to proceed to complete this today, I guess.
Yeah.
Correct, sir? That's what you wish? All right, your wish is granted. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this first amended motion to revoke probation? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Judge.
And raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Below your hand. In summary, this first amended motion to revoke probation in this cause number 21-37997 states that on June 21st of 2023 in this court, you were sentenced to 10 years in prison. That was suspended. You were placed on regular probation for 10 years for the second degree felony of burglary of a habitation. Is all of that true, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Allegation 1 states you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office for the months of August, September, October, November, December 2023, and January 2024, which would have been like on the second month after you were placed on probation, you absconded.
Yes, sir.
Is all of that true and
Yes,
clear?
Your Honor.
Are you pleading true to and correct to that, which is a violation of your probation order to report money? Are you pleading true to allegation number 1 voluntarily and because it is true as it is alleged?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand by a voluntary and knowingly made plea of true to 1 or more violations of probation, that is enough to grant a motion to revoke probation. Your probation can now be granted and you can be sentenced to no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement in prison.
Yes, Your
Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I find you're pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. An agreement has been reached between the parties that your probation would be revoked. You would be sentenced to 5 years in prison. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
If I follow this, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
One other thing to add, allegation number 2 states that you provided a urine sample on or about July 27th, 2023, which showed the presence of methamphetamine in your system, which was a violation of condition 10 of your probation order, which is do not use illegal drugs. Is that also a true allegation as it is alleged?
Yes, Your
Are
Honor.
you pleading true to that as well, voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because it is true as it is alleged?
Yes, Your Honor.
The same statements of the court based upon your plea of true into allegations 1 and 2 in each case. Do you insist on pleading true because these allegations are true and upon discussions with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I intend to follow this agreement. Anything to add by either party on this?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to find then, Mr. Moore, anything you want to add?
No, Your Honor.
We're going to find that you have pleaded true, voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, the allegations 1 and 2 of this first amended motion to revoke probation, essentially failing to report to the probation office since August of 2023. Again, you were placed on probation in June of 2023. So in the second month after that, you absconded. You also, in July, a month after you were placed on probation, provided a urine sample that showed the presence of methamphetamine in your system, which are both failing to report and illegally using drugs or violations of your probation. And your knowing and voluntary plea of true in each of these allegations. That is enough to support the motion to revoke probation by preponderance of the evidence or greater. And thus, your probation is hereby revoked. I am following the agreement in this case. You were hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 5 years. Do you understand what has happened here today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I hate failure because we have a 93% success rate on probation. What happened?
Just lost my way.
Yes, sir. Well, what are you doing about it now? Fixing it?
Yes, sir. I found myself into to right the ship, fix it all.
Okay. What's your master plan then?
To get this time done, get behind me,
And
go
then
back to work, and just get back to life in general.
what about the methamphetamine problem?
Uh,
We get this a lot. What are you doing about it?
I'm gonna
To make sure that you don't backslide, you know what I
need
mean?
help with it. I'm gonna help.
What kind of help are you going to be able to seek? Because,
Drug treatment.
sir,
Drug treatment.
what kind? You got to have a plan, you know? and-
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's all new.
Okay. Well, I believe the parole authorities are going to be able to help you with that.
Yes, sir.
But there's not a doubt that you need some assistance. It's very difficult for people to do that by themselves without some supervision. You know, it kind of helps motivate you in the right way, and that's what we want to success. But you have a plan, but follow it through.
Yes, sir.
And do you have a family? You have a family?
So,
Okay. Children?
yes, sir.
Uh, how old are they?
They're 22, 4, 6, and 8.
All right. Well, you love them?
Yes, I do.
I mean, is it just talk or what are you doing about it?
That's why I'm here. It's one of the main reasons why I'm here.
What's everybody's going to roll their eyes. What's the greatest gift you can give your children? Let me help you. A good example.
Yes, sir.
They're going to follow what the parent does. You can, here, fix this.
Yes, sir.
It's fixable. You made a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Couple big mistakes, but turn this thing around and do it not only for you, but for the children who will emulate you. You don't want them making mistakes because they're going to do what their parent does. That's just natural for them children to want to be just like their parent. You got to set the right example. You capable of doing that?
Yes,
Do it.
Yeah,
What did Michael Jordan say? Just do it.
sir.
So get it done.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're capable. I know that. I know about you. That's what's frustrating. You're better than this. So get to that level of good example setting and role modeling.
Will do.
Okay, good. All right, it's a promise. Hold it to it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bryant Rodriguez.
Judge, if we could have a short resetting on him, 2 to 3 weeks, I believe this.